Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create an Instagram account on iPhone and Android in the mobile app. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To create your account, download and then open the app, and if you're on the login screen, tap on where it says Create New Account, which should be at the bottom. You now need to enter your name. This is not your username, we'll be doing that soon. So tap on Continue with your name entered, and now you need to choose a password. It needs to be at least 6 numbers or letters, and obviously you'll want to make it as strong as possible. Tap on Next with your password, and now you need to enter your date of birth. With this selected, tap on Next. You can now choose a username for the account. It might give you one based on your name, but feel free to enter the one you want to use. It will need to be unique, so you may have to try out a few before you find one that is available. Tap on Next, and now you have a choice as to whether to set up your account with a mobile number or an email. If you want to set up with email, tap on the Sign Up with Email Address option below the Next button. Whichever you choose, make sure you enter the correct phone number or email address that you have access to and tap on Next. You'll now need to confirm the number or email by entering the code you receive that is sent to it. Enter the code you receive into the box and then tap on Next. On the following page, you need to agree to the Instagram terms. Tap on I agree, and now you can add a profile picture if you want one. You can of course add one later, but if you want to add one now, tap on Add Picture and choose from your camera roll or take a picture. Look out for any requests to access either photos or the camera, as you need to allow these to be able to add or take a picture on your phone. Find the picture you want to use and tap on it, and then you can reshape or resize the image by tapping on Edit. You can also share this image as a post if you turn on the toggle switch. Leave this off to not create a post. Tap on the Done button and you should see a welcome page, and then you'll have some options to sync contacts and get Facebook suggestions. This is up to you, but you can skip these sections by tapping on Skip a few times. You can then choose to save your login information and you'll see some people to follow. Have a look at this list and follow anyone you want, or just tap on Next in the top right. Finally, you'll load into Instagram, and if you wanted, you can tap on the profile icon which is in the bottom right to continue setting up your profile. You'll see there's some options, for example to add a bio. You can also tap on Edit Profile here to change any of the options you've set so far or fill in any blank sections. That's how to create an Instagram account on iPhone and Android in the mobile app. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.